What's up to all my friends and soon-to-be friends out there? My name is Eve. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means the world to this girl right here. I'm not gonna even play. I'm jumping right into this video because I'm so stinking excited. I think you can tell. We are unboxing the FabFitFun box and it's going to be the summer edition. Wait till you see how stinking cute this box is. This is my favorite design by far. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? The purple background, the popsicles. Can it get any cuter? Now let's go and jump into the most important thing, the prices. I like to know the prices. I know you like to know the prices. This box, each box is going to cost you $55. Or you can do what I do. I pay $200 each year. So annually, my credit card gets charged the $200. You do save $20 on that. That's not why I do it. 100% honest, this is why. Because I get to fully customize my box. To me, my German pickiness, that's what I like to do. I like to have full control. Is it just me? Maybe. The second item is going to be early access to customize. So you're gonna have first dibs on all the products before they disappear, because trust me, they can disappear fast. The third is gonna be early access to the add-on and edit sale. The fourth, which is my favorite as well, is going to be early shipping. So your box is gonna ship out before everybody else's, which is definitely a plus. Who doesn't want to get their box fast as possible? Let's go ahead and show you the magazine that comes in the box. There's a lot of great articles in it, so you can soak in the tub and read something. So here we go. It says summer is here. Isn't that so cute? It's adorable. Now they did throw a free sample in here and I want to talk about it because I absolutely love this. A friend introduced me to it. It's Liquid IV. My personal flavor, it's going to be the passion fruit. We got guava in this though, and so I'm gonna try it one more time. I've tried different flavors, but I always go back to passion fruit. So I'm gonna give it one more try. But it's cool that they didn't ask for anything. They just decided to be awesome and put it in the box. Who doesn't love that? Now let's go ahead and get the first item that I picked. This is an expensive brand. I trust this brand. Pretty much everything I try, I love, and it's Elemis. I'm going to show you this. You like for me to unbox it in front of the camera. I think that you're waiting for my butterfingers to drop it. Tell the truth. And I love Elemis's packaging. It is sleek, it looks gorgeous, but what's the best thing is their products work. This is going to be $100 retail. I told you she was expensive, but I absolutely love Elemis. I use the day cream all the time, so I'm really stoked to try the night cream. The second item is going to be by Way. It's going to be a scalp and body scrub. What I'm going to use this as, I'm going to try it first as a scalp scrub because I think I'm going to get more of a value from it using it as a scalp scrub because I have an amazing body scrub. It's Dr. Teal's. You can get it at the drugstore for a hell lot cheaper. Now the retail on this is going to be $38. And Way is an expensive brand as well. I'm looking forward to trying this to see if I'm interested in the brand or not. Now let's go into the third item I picked. This is another pricey bitch right here. It is going to be Dr. Brandt, and this is a mouthful, so stay with me, y'all. It's going to be the DNA, which stands for Do Not Age, and it's the Time Defying Aging Face Cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you. This package is stunning. I have to take it out like this, but it's mostly packaging. It is a very small amount in here. I believe it's 1.7. Yeah, so 1.7, but this is gonna look so pretty on your vanity. And wait till you hear this price. This one over here is $132. Can you believe this? I'm gonna block my big freaking head so you can see it. Cause that deserves a second look. Now we're gonna go into the fourth item I picked. This is going to be the Ahava. I have not tried anything from this line, so I'm interested. I decided to go for this one because the other one was for light to normal skin. This is going to be normal to dry skin. I have dry skin, so now that I saw that there's a formula for me, I don't know if I'm living under a rock and I just didn't see it, but I'm excited to try it. And it says Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer. And like I said, it says normal to dry skin. And this right here has a retail value of $69. You do get more product in here than normal face moisturizers. You get 2.5 fluid ounces, which is a good amount. I'm excited to see how these results on this because I've heard a lot about the Dead Sea minerals in this. And anything that I can up my skincare game, I'm up for it. Now I'm going to go for another brand that I'm excited to try. This is by Indy Lee, and this is a lotion CoQ10 toner. Has aloe vera in it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. This is pricey, but the thing that I'm so stoked about, a lot of times I get suckered into getting something and it's a lot smaller than I think. This is actually bigger than I thought. It looked tiny on the screen, but wait till you see how big this is. Pull this puppy out. Look how big. And everybody knows I absolutely love essences and toners. They're my favorite skincare to use. And I have a big head, and look how big this is. This is a big bottle, and I'm so stoked that I was surprised that it's bigger than I thought, because it's, like I said, usually the other way around. And this is going to be a retail value of $36, which is not bad for a toner. And how much product you get, let me go ahead and just tell you, it's 4.2 fluid ounces, so you get a shit ton of product in here. So if I love that, I will definitely rebuy that. Now we're going into shampoo and conditioner. This is a set, and this is by IGK. That is my hair color that I decided to choose. You can see a video on that. I did it. It's Copper Cola. Absolutely in love with it. Since I love their hair dye, I want to try their shampoo and conditioner. I want to try more from the line because the hair dye knocked my socks off. And this is called Legendary. Love that. And this is the shampoo and conditioner, and it has probiotic and Red Sea algae in the shampoo, and then the conditioner has shea butter and Red Sea algae. So right there, I'm interested in trying this because it's hydrating. It says Legendary. It has gold packaging. Come on now. And that is going to be a retail value of $62. So for these little babies, look at that, $62. Now let's get into the 7th item. This is the Cosmetics, and it's the first blush. This is another long name. Brightening Acai Infused in Shower Face Mask. So to sum it up, it's a face mask that you use in the shower. Why do they have to be so long-winded? Now this is going to be $54. I'm interested in more masks that I can use in the shower when I'm in a hurry. I can go in there, throw it on, do all my steps, wash my body, wash my hair, and then before I hop out, rinse it off. That's something that I'm looking forward to trying because I have not tried any in-shower face masks yet. So this is one I'm really stoked to try. There's a lot of shit in here that I'm really excited to try, to dip my toe in. I love new skincare. That just gets me a giddy inside. Now, if you go and add all this in without my boosted box value that I got, it's going to be a retail value of $491. That is a stinking good deal, but I decided to do an add-on of a mystery item. It's going to be $15 that I added. It was mystery, so I did not know what I was going to get, and I got a candle. This is Lasting Smiles, and it says Shining Light on Causes That Matter. I love that. And it's the scent sea salt and citrus, and it's an aromatherapy candle. And this is a retail value of $45. So the $15 that I paid, and I got a $45 candle, which I like because I'm not going to spend $45 on a candle. Absolutely not. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Really pretty, I have to say that. Let me smell it. Oh, that's nice. If my background ever gets here that I ordered in December, I'm going to put this on my dresser with the cool ass lights. I'm getting discouraged if that dresser will even come. Like I said, I ordered that shit December 5th and it's still not here. I know that you guys have been waiting for that background. They are saying now it's going to be shipping this Friday. So I'm freaking hoping it actually gets here. Now this is a bonus item they decided to throw in the box, which is fucking awesome. And this is a retail value of $15. I can't wait to see if this item is for me. I tried one from Amazon. It wasn't for me, so I can't wait to try this one. It looks a little different, and it's going to be a little silicone mat that you use with body wash. So you put the body wash in there, you scrub your body, and it's supposed to be better than a washcloth or a loofah. I don't use a loofah, but I love my microfiber washcloths. Is it going to beat this? I don't know, but it was free in the box because they're awesome, like I said. Now, if you add both of those items, the box value is going to be $551. For me, only spending $50 on this, I think it was completely worth it. Even if you spent $55, I think this was worth it. This was a bomb-ass box. To say what the value is, this right here, like I said, was $54, retail value. So if they sat there and sent you this, and they're like, okay, $50, here's $4 back. I'm gonna give you all this amazing shit with it. That's why I love this. I got some bomb-ass skincare. Who's not excited? I'm fucking excited. So now we're moving on to the add-on sale. I love to stock up good skincare, hair care, and that's what you're gonna see here. I got some winners, y'all. I'm telling you, wait till you see this shit. Now, this is something I raved about, saying that when I use this, I don't have dry skin. This balances my skin and it makes me have a normal skin type. That's a lot to ask from a product. This is stinking expensive. So this is the Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Wrinkle Warrior. I got 3 of these puppies. Each one of these I paid $35 for. Is that expensive? No, because each box has a retail value of $110. Can you believe that? I wasn't going to spend $110 on this. So I said if it ever was on sale, I was going to stock up on it. And boy, did I. I got 3 of them. That was the max I could get. That's what I got. $110? No, I spent $35 because I'm a smart cookie. This second item is going to be, hopefully I don't butcher this, High Expectations. Yep, I said it wrong. Oh well, there has to be a mess up in here. So this is going to be a hemp intensive repair replenishment facial oil. So I paid $6. So each one of these was $6. I picked up 3. The retail value of this is $54 a piece. Now you can see why I picked up 3. I thought the hemp thing was just bullshit. It was a way for companies to sell skincare. Then I got this in one of my subscription boxes and I fell in love with it. I use it as a nice night facial oil and it is freaking amazing. I am so happy that I saw this because I didn't see it on the Ipsy sales or the BoxyCharm sale, so I didn't think that I was going to be able to get it at a steal. I was going to pay the $54 to get this again because it's a good amount. You get 1 fluid ounce, and for a face oil, that lasts you. I just wanted to make sure I was stocked up so I didn't have to spend the $54. Now let's go ahead and go for, let's go for the shampoo first. This one's a heavy one because I got 3 of them and it's the jumbo size. This is by IGK again and I love this name. It's Bold and Bougie and I taped it so I can hold it without making it all fall, and I spent $28 each on this. The retail value is $68. So of course I had to buy 3. Now I got the matching conditioner and this is why I wanted to try the shampoo. I fell in love with the conditioner of this. I already know I love it, so I had to get 3. So this is again the IGK and it's the same name, Bad and Bougie. Come on, that's so stinking cute. And this is the same price. So I paid $28 for each one of these. That's why I bought 3, and it has a $68 value. Now let's talk about why FabFitFun is awesome. They decided to throw in a free item because I bought the add-ons. So once you spend a certain amount, they throw in free stuff. The first one, I already drank. Soon as I opened the box, I was thirsty. So it was the Smart Water, and it had ginseng and green tea extract. It has a value of $1.60. I don't need to show it. It was an empty bottle. You can see what that is. This is the stunning item on here. This is the Crest Whitening Emulsions, and I went to go get the retail value of this, and I was absolutely shocked. I cannot believe it cost this much and that it was a free item. With the wand, the retail value is 50 bucks on this, and they threw this in for free just because I bought something from the add-on sale. So I got amazing skincare and hair care, and they threw this in. The water bottle would have been fine. I enjoyed the water. It was fine. I could see that being a free item, but $50, they won me over on that. Now, I hope that you liked my box. I hope that you liked all my add-ons that I got during the sale. I am pretty fucking stoked. This is one happy girl. This is a happy girl face. Do you see it? It's nice to have my socks blown off by a box, and that's why I absolutely love FabFitFun, because they always do that. They are a bomb-ass box, and I've had them for 2 years, and I wish I would have signed up sooner. That's because their quality hasn't went down. Certain boxes I will not name, their quality has went down. Their prices have went up, and their quality has went down. Not FabFitFun. They have not let me down. Now it's fur baby time. Are you ready for it? Come here, Shuggy. Yes. We got to say bye to all of our friends. You ready? Oh, you got stuff to say? Are you happy with the box as well? You are? All right, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. It's going to be the ice cream box. Are you excited? Let's all scream for ice cream. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. You guys are fucking awesome, by the way. Love you. Bye.